Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve column internal question, write algorithm for forward different interpolation method. So here we write a algorithm. We first of all we start the algorithm, and in the second step we read the n, and in the third step we iterate a for loop I is equal to 1 to n by 1 and read xi and yi and end of the for loop. Okay, so in the next step, here we write a for loop j is equal to 1 to n minus 1 by 1, and again we iterate a I loop I is equal to 1 to n minus j by 1. Okay, we write a first condition. If j is equal to 1, then we put I and j values in dij. Dij is equal to yi plus 1 minus yi, else we put the I and j values in dij is equal to di plus 1 into j minus 1 minus di and j minus 1. Okay, so we understand this algorithm what we can to do, and what we want is dij and dij. Okay, so in the so we have a forward different table x and y value we put here, and x is equal to a, so y is equal to f of a, x is equal to a in second row a plus h, and y is equal to f of a plus h equal to y2, and in row third f of a plus 2h and y is equal to f of a plus 2h is equal to y3, and in row 4 a plus 3h, and in row 4 and y value f of a plus 3h is equal to y4, in fifth row a plus 4h and y f of a plus 4h is equal to y5. Okay, so we have to find the column row 1 column 1 value, row 2 column 1 value, row 3 column 1 value, row 4 column 1 value, and again we iterate I and j loop. We find the row 1 column 2 value, row 2 column 2 value, row 3 column 3 value. Okay, so we iterate the I is equal to n minus 1 and j is equal to n minus j. Okay, so here we understand dij. If j is equal to 1, if j is equal to 1, so here we put yi plus 1 and yi. Suppose we have I is equal to 1, so di and j. So d11 is equal to, here we put y is equal to 1, so y1 plus 1 minus yi. So in the next step y11 is equal to 2. So here in the next step we write y2 minus y1. So here we find the row 1 and column 1 value. Okay, d11 value we find here. So then this type we iterate I and j loop, and we find the row whole row 1 values. Okay, in the next step here we write else condition, else here we write else condition, dij is equal to di plus 1 j minus 1 minus di and j minus 1. So here we see the what values we find this condition. So suppose we have I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Okay, so d is equal to I is equal to 1. Okay, so d 1 into j is equal, we put j value 2. So here we write j minus 1, so 2 minus 1 minus di j minus 1. So I value here we put in 1. So okay, so d 1 and j value 2, so 2 minus 1 2 minus 1. So we solve this condition and we find the d21 minus d11. So this condition we see the and find the column 2 and row 1 value. Okay, this type we iterate and find the row 2 all values, and we iterate I and j loop. So here we find the row 1, row 2, row 3 and row 4, row 5 values. Okay, so mm, so we find all values, and we end of the if condition, and end of the I loop and end of the j loop, and print the dij, and we stop the algorithm. So this type we so this is a this algorithm for forward different interpolation, and we find the all forward reference for all forward different values. Okay, thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel.